Did you know AI could make or break your future job? Here's why. AI isn't just changing tech, it's reshaping entire economies. Without the right skills, workers and students risk being left behind. Workers must master AI tools like chatbots to stay competitive. Training programs can automate routine tasks and boost productivity. Students should learn AI as early as middle school. Hands-on projects can spark innovation and prepare them for future jobs. Tech giants offer free AI courses, but governments must step in too. Public-private partnerships can maximize impact. Countries need to collaborate on AI training. Sharing best practices can speed up progress and strengthen global competitiveness. AI skills aren't optional anymore. They're the key to unlocking economic growth and staying ahead in the job market. Investing in AI education today ensures a workforce ready for tomorrow's challenges. The future belongs to those who adapt. AI isn't replacing humans, it's demanding smarter humans. Are you ready to level up? Will you wait for AI to disrupt your career, or will you lead the change?